Hello everyone, I'm with another video. This is a basic video for new user of WordPress. Uh, like when you first install WordPress, some of the plugins that we sometimes face difficulties to decide which one to install, which one not to install. But there are some plugins that you always should have as a WordPress user, especially if you are in blogging. So let us look one by one. Okay, so the first one that you should have, like uh, spam, anti-spam, Akismet anti-spam, this one, talking about this one, because when I have also experienced the same when I first started to use WordPress, and this is I have also my blog website. People started to send me messages, even especially the contact us page. So the first one is Akismet anti-spam to prevent your website from spamming. I have a child theme though, but it's up to you whether you want to have a child theme or not. Because most of the cases, if you have a child theme, if you have a mother theme that you are using, in my case, I'm using Navy or Astra, whatever you want to use. Uh, Changes you are going to make or new plugin you are installing, if you always do it in child theme, and in that cases you are always remaining safe, because if a new plugin you have installed, it might disrupt the functionality of your website, and sometimes it breaks the website. So child theme always keeps it safe, and even if you want to make any changes in the root directories, like new code, file manager, all those changes, if you do it in child theme, the main mother theme is always safe from this one. So you can choose if you want, but this is not the essential one. This spam, this one is essential, I would say. I use classic editor, though I have Gutenberg and other builders, but classic editor gives you a very easy access to many of the uh, editing, changing you are making in pages or post or any way you want. Then easy table of content, if you are using a blog, this gives you a very easy way to for the reader to navigate your post. uh, then next one, you should have one, at least like I use Sitekit by Google, and like there might be a question like you have to, like, which one should you use, Monster Insight or Sitekit. I used to have both of them, but now I'm using the Sitekit because both do the same functionality. So in that cases, I think you should use only one, because if you have the similar type of what two plugins, this is going to have more coding in your site, and that might make your site load slower. Very essential, you have to back up your website always. So I'm using update updraft. This is a free plugin. You can go for pro version, it's up to you. So updraft is the first plugin you always should install, like whenever you have installed WordPress. And the second thing you should do is uh, install updraft or this kind of backup plugins. Next one, to keep your website safe. Second essential. The first one is backup, which is UpdraftPlus or any other kind of other plugins you want. And second one is your WordPress security. So I use Wordfence. You can have security or other plugins. It's up to you. But WordPress is a free plugin. You can also go for premium. I choose this Wordfence one, and it always will protect you from hackers and spammers. I also have WP rollback in cases of if you have enabled auto updates. Like you have see, this is I have disabled them because I have experienced like auto update is breaking my site. So you can choose to have this rollback or WP rollback plugins, which actually rollbacks to you uh, rollbacks to previous version of your plugin. So that keeps your site safe. For example, if you see the versions are written here, you can always roll back to the previous one. And fourth one is WPS hide login, because most of the cases whenever you have a WordPress site and people write WP admin at their after your website address with backslash, and then they try to use combination of password to hack your website. So in that case, WPS PS hide login always WPS login will protect your site. You can give a custom name to your login and you can choose anything, and you are the only one who will know which credential to use to log into your site. So if I go for synopsis, from beginning, number one, what Updraft Plus for to backup. Second was for security, Wordfence or security, whatever you want. Then WPS hide login, this one, and others are up to you. Like for to check out your site insights and other stuff, you can use site kit. And I also said you can use Akismet anti-spam. By the way, if you are looking for how your site is performing, is there any issues or not, there is always an option in your setting, there is tools option, site health. If you click that one, it will give you ideas what you should do, whether your site is performing well or not. So I hope this video is going to come up with like benefit you, help you, or if you find in this video is helpful, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe my channel for video like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.